The BMW M340i is a high-performance variant of the BMW 3 Series, combining everyday practicality with exhilarating performance. As part of the BMW M Performance line, the M340i sits between the standard 3 Series models and the more extreme M3, offering a compelling mix of luxury, technology, and dynamic driving characteristics. Here's a detailed look at the BMW M340i. Overview model. BMW M340i segment. Compact executive car, sports sedan manufacturer, BMW, Bayerische Motoren Werke AG. Key features and specifications: Powertrain and Performance engine. Type: 3.0-Liter BMW M TwinPower Turbo Inline 6. Power output: approximately 302 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Mild hybrid system. Features a 48-volt mild hybrid system for improved efficiency and performance. Transmission. Type: 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Performance metrics: 0 to 60 mph. Achieves 0 to 60 mph in about 4.1 seconds. Top speed: electronically limited to 155 mph. Driving dynamics: xDrive, available with BMW's xDrive, all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction and stability, standard in some markets. Rear-wheel drive, standard rear-wheel drive layout available. Adaptive M suspension includes electronically controlled dampers for a balance between comfort and performance. M Sport Differential improves traction and handling, especially during dynamic driving. Exterior design styling: sporty design, features an aggressive front fascia with larger air intakes, distinctive kidney grills, and aerodynamic elements. Lighting: full LED headlights with optional adaptive laser light technology. Wheels and tires: standard wheels, 18-inch M-Lite alloy wheels, with optional 19-inch and 20-inch wheels. Brakes: M Sport brakes with blue or red calipers. Body colors: wide range of exterior colors including exclusive M Performance hues. Interior features: cabin design, sporty and luxurious. High-quality materials such as Vernasca leather upholstery, aluminum tetragon trim, and customizable ambient lighting. Seats: M Sport seats with enhanced bolstering and comfort, available with heating and ventilation. Infotainment system: display, 10.25-inch central touchscreen with iDrive 7.0 system, accompanied by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. BMW Live Cockpit Professional. Connectivity: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless charging. Sound system: standard hi-fi sound system with an optional Harman Kardon surround sound system. Comfort features: climate control, 3-zone automatic climate control, sunroof, standard panoramic sunroof, in some markets. Safety and driver assistance, safety ratings, expected to achieve high safety ratings, equipped with advanced safety features. Driver assistance, standard features, includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. Optional systems: adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Market position and competitors' pricing: positioned as a premium sports sedan, with pricing reflecting its performance capabilities and luxury features. Competitors: competes with other performance sedans such as the Mercedes-AMG C43, Audi S4, and the Genesis G70 3.3T. Conclusion: the BMW M340i is a standout in the compact executive car segment, offering a blend of luxury, technology, and high-performance capabilities. Its powerful engine, sophisticated drivetrain, and advanced driver assistance systems make it an ideal choice for those seeking a sports sedan that can also handle daily driving with ease. The M340i's sporty design, high-quality interior, and cutting-edge technology further enhance its appeal, solidifying its position as a top choice for driving enthusiasts.